teammates created all the opportunities and didn't give myself a chance. To come out playing like that on center court is very, very disappointing.
I think it was my best match this year. I felt actually very confident and I've been aggressive all the match. I was ready for the match and I'm really happy that I could win against a player as Vika because she's a great one.